Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 14 on row level security. And here is the question. In Power BI service, where do you assign users to RLS roles? So after applying security, you need to assign the users as well. Well, you assign in Power BI desktop, in Power BI admin portal, in dataset settings, in report settings. So if you have done this work, you should know the answer, but if you have not, then definitely you need to look into your skills and improve it on the RLS side. So if you want to attempt more questions like this, then I have created a question bank with these 60 questions. And it is a mix of DAX, data modeling, visualization, Power BI service, queries, and so from all the different perspectives with which you will be tested on the Power BI exam. So that is something you can basically buy from the link that I have given down below. And along with this, I have a couple of other links to join my Power BI group where I give all of such announcements a bit early and a couple other things about my courses and etc. So that you can join and get an advantage over there. Secondly, I have another link where I keep all of my Power BI videos in a Google Sheet so that you can easily access all of the videos. So I hope you will find this information useful. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.